Hey guys, the Forager here. In this upcoming video, I'm actually taking somebody out, giving him pointers on what to look for when he's out looking for a mushroom. When I said mushroom, it is morels, spring king, and blonde morels. So that's what we're gonna target with him. And how did I get to this point? Well, I was doing a little video editing on the side of the road, and here comes John walking along, and we got to talking. Next thing you know, we're here doing a video together. So if you're lucky enough to find me somewhere in the woods and you recognize me and want some pointers from me, I'll gladly do so, but you gotta find me first. Okay, let's get on with the video. Yeah, just right off by the road. You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No.
No? Yeah, right by the road, and there's John.
Hey.
We're going on an adventure today. First mushroom, morel. Show that beauty.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah, that's a blonde one. Let's go look for more, John.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
It's on again. See if you can find it.
Look at that one.
Yeah, he found that. Yeah. Go ahead and cut it the way you want to save weight because you're eating it. Yeah. Good job, John.
Yeah.
Let's go again. John's going at it again. Well, I've done my picking. This is your time to have fun. Well, our time to have fun.
I love it.
It's in the vegetation.
Ah, look at that. Well, you got an eye, my man.
Have to. My profession. You can too. You can have an eye too. You know, once you see how it's in its natural state, you start looking towards that. You can also have an eye for it as well. Yeah.
How far do I want to go? Yeah.
Oh, pull it. Just pull it. Yeah, you don't need to cut it. Pull it. Pull it.
Bottom part off.
Here. Hold. We'll switch. This is for John's info when he comes out by himself. So basically, what you want to do, you can shave it. I mean, you can cut it because you're eating. For me, I have to try to save as much weight as possible. So this is what I would do. It's faster to do it your way, but it's a little bit buggy though. You can tell. See right there? But it don't matter.
Yeah, we get rid of those.
Yeah. And
yeah, what's the Latin name for this one?
Boletus rex-veris.
Wow, I was just
Boletus
messing with you and
rex-veris.
you had it. Look at that.
Okay.
So when I do this, I just slice it up and eat and saute?
Yeah. It is a bolete. King bolete, same thing.
Oh, they're the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yes. All right, John. John's getting a crash course in picking spring king, okay? I know most of you would love to come out. It's just that I'm really far out. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, you can put it in your bucket for now,
Yeah.
and we'll clean it up later. Yeah,
Fantastic.
see, that's just dirt kicked up and, dried like that. But this one is different. That's what we want to look for, kind of like that.
Yep, just like that.
Just like that. Yeah. It's okay, just wiggle it out. Yeah. Having fun?
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
All right.
Cover that baby back up.
Yep. And let's keep going. Pop that open. Is it a bolete? I think it is.
Oh, look at that.
Did you see that at all? No, right?
Well, after you showed it to me.
I just showed you the mound. We don't know what's in there. All right, let's look for more.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a nice one though.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And let's go get the other one.
Okay.
And all through there before, there's blondes. I left babies here.
Beautiful color, huh? Ah, I almost squished it.
What'd you almost do?
I squished it. Stepped on. They to blend in, don't they?
Oh yeah, that's why I said once you start seeing them, how in their natural state, you can it gets easier, way easier. Yeah. And there is other interesting facts about these mushrooms. Single wall, double wall. They different, heavier in weight too.
This one here?
Yeah, and then there's another one up to your left.
Should we leave this tiny one alone?
No. Take it. You're gonna eat it. And there's one more below us over there too. Yeah. Beautiful. There's another one over there. Watch. I have a video of me picking over here, and it was quite a lot. Probably one video, just unedited. Picking blondes here. It's right there.
Oh yeah.
So I'm just showing John what to look for, and there's two more in the bushes that you can't see. In the vegetation, I mean. I would save as much meat as possible.
Okay.
And there's two in the vegetation. I see one more over there, but
I see that one.
There's two there. There's one more behind you over there too. See?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna let you have the scissor and go at it with a scissor. Here we go. Let's trade. Okay. I think the scissor is a lot easier. Okay. This one right here.
Oh, look at that.
All right, this one you have to unlock right here. It has a spring, so it's spring loaded. Yeah.
Okay. And you usually dig around the base before you cut them out?
No, I just cut them like this. I'll show you. There you go. You don't need to dig them. Just cut them. That's how the size that the commercial people want it. And I locked the scissor. There's another one down there. Let's go get that. I did really good last time I was here. Right under there. He's tiny, but you can take it.
Oh yeah.
So we're out like pretty deep in right now, me and John. We're having an adventure, good conversation, life stories. Just a trek in the woods with a fellow forager. And hopefully good friends.
Yeah.
I think so.
I think I got lucky when I met you, yeah.
Me too. No, whoa, right by your foot too.
Oh!
Get that one.
Where else can you come out and step on a blonde, all right?
Here.
There's my dad joke.
Yeah, here.
All right.
There we go. Having fun. Good company. Yeah, right there. Got your scissors?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's still really good. Looks pretty fresh to me. And those scissors are really sharp too.
Okay.
I cut myself before. These you can dry them and save them for later.
For the naturals?
Yeah, for the natural. You can do it with the blondes too if you want. Yeah. Yeah, pull it.
Look at that. It's popped right out.
Two of them.
I see the one.
No, by the tree too. And,
oh yeah, there we go.
And there's more over there. Okay, John. No, you don't need scissors. Pull them.
Pull. Okay.
Just pull and put in bucket. Pull, wipe the dirt, put in the bucket. Yeah. That's one. We'll do a count. 2. I told you they were here, over there, under the vegetation right there.
Oh yeah. Is that 2, I think, maybe?
Yeah. And don't forget to look for mounds. Okay. Oh, look at that. Hold that up. There you go.
Oh, we got the buddies.
Yes. Let's see if we can find more. I know there's more here. After you find them, you just zigzag, do a 360.
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Right here, John.
Okay.
At least 2 so far. 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them here, John. You got one there, there.
Wow.
I think there's more probably over there, if I remember right. So John's never really tried porcini eating. I think he's gonna love it.
Never tried a wild porcini.
Yeah, I think you're gonna love it, John. And there's many recipes online.
Okay.
And they're quite expensive.
This one?
Yeah. Tap that one. Tap it like, oh, yeah. There you go. There you go. Take the dirt out. Yeah. Let's go up a little bit more. We missed one. Missed a little button. Yeah. But look off to the side, you might see some. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is John's nice little haul. We got boletes, and we got morels. And how was the day, John?
And we have a big smile.
Yes.
Thank you, yeah.
You're welcome. Well, that was a fun video to do with John and me. Yeah, we got to talking, good conversation, just good company all in all. And we strolled in the woods. We didn't do too good, but the main thing was teaching him what to look for when he's out by himself. That's it for the video, and hope to see you guys in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe,